Been feeling trapped down on the floor.
I just wanted to come here very quick to show you two products that I'm really liking. And lately I've been loving the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Play Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Oh my god, I said it so fast. It smells so good. It smells delicious. I really like the smell. It's a very consistent brand. I love their product. I mean, I'm not kidding, people. This is a brand that I definitely believe, trust, and love so much. This one was sent to me by them, and I'm extremely grateful that they did because I extremely love it. This one is the one that I bought. My first one was sent to me by them, and I love it so much. And this one, I don't remember. I think I got it from a FabFitFun discount. Yeah. And oh my god, I was so excited I got it. And you have to see, I actually use this thing like tons and tons. I love it. So I really like the brand. They come up with really cool things that I really like. So if you're looking for a new cream gel shower that is give you this beautiful hydration, I put already makeup on it, give you this beautiful hydration, I definitely recommend this. It leaves your skin so soft and beautiful. So thank you so much, Sol de Janeiro, for sending me this. I literally flip out. I love it. Second product that I wanted to come up here today to show you is this Undone Beauty. This is a lip to cheek palette in the shade Rosy, and this is definitely something that you can definitely use in your lips and your cheeks as a blush. And this Undone Beauty product was sent to me by them, and oh my god guys, you have to see, this thing is the most beautiful rose color that you will ever see in your life. It's so soft and beautiful, like it's a dream come true. This pink is so stunning. I literally love it. Also sent me this little brush that I know, guys, I have to wash it. It's also by the brand Undone, and it has a beautiful tip that you can definitely use for apply this product. I actually want to apply a little bit right now because I don't have it on. I used it recently and oh my goodness, I really liked it. Oh my god guys, I love this color. It's so flattering and beautiful. I really like it, and I like the brush a lot. So oh my god. Thank you Undone Beauty for sending me this product. It's so versatile, so beautiful for summer and basically any time of the year. I like it. I can wear it in my lips, in my cheeks, and I mean it match. Every time that you kind of like concerned about what should I wear, what shade should I wear in my cheeks, in my eyes, in my lips, well, you already have one problem resolved with this product, because you can wear the same color here, and it will definitely match and look very nice and fresh because it's basically the same color. So this product is super cool, and I like it how it looks. It just looks beautiful. It's super beautiful. This nice, very girly pink. I definitely kill for it. I love it. Hi guys, I wait for you here. Go click those videos and I'll see you right there. Bye.
Hurting in my soul, shaking through my core.